42 years old, and I have been a little plump from the childhood, though I have had an active lifestyle. But after the age of 40, I am 42 years old now. It was difficult for me to lose weight, especially around the belly and around the thighs. So I used to constantly try and lose weight multiple times, and I would lose weight, but the amount of weight was so much that I would be unsuccessful many a times. So because of repeated failures, I had given up and I was not motivated. Then suddenly I heard it from a friend that she has undergone liposuction. So it motivated me also to find out more about liposuction. And I read the net, I did some Google searches about what is the procedure, and what I learned was that in comparison to the conventional liposuction, now Vaser Liposuction is being provided to patients, which is minimally invasive, and at the same time it targets a larger area. So it helps you build not only lose weight, but make your body well contoured around whatever the target area is, and then it helps you maintain a good shape and a pleasant feeling about your own self. So once I had decided that I had read about all the pros and cons about Vaser liposuction, I started looking for a doctor around the NCR region since I'm in Delhi. So I found about Dr. Ritesh Anand, and though I had looked at many YouTube videos, from many doctors, I found Dr. Ritesh Anand to be very, very realistic. And the most important aspect about him was that he was very much concerned about patient safety. And so I took a video consultation followed by a one-to-one consultation with Dr. Ritesh Anand at his center at Gurgaon. And I came along with my spouse, and both of us understood, or we realized that he is a very professionally and though on the net also I had read about from where he has done his post-graduation, his graduation and his super specialization. So he is very professionally oriented, and patient safety is prime. And he did not make any false promises. He was very to the point that what should I expect from liposuction around. I should go for a 360-degree liposuction around my waist, that is my abdomen, as well as the back area where the bra rolls are, basically the back side of your also having fat. So I went for that, and he told me not only he introduced me to the proper technique of liposuction, he explained everything to me, where the incisions would be, what I have to go through during post-op, how much pain I would experience after liposuction, what kind of lifestyle I have to maintain to carry on the results of liposuction. So in a way, it was a good experience to learn from him. And then we made up our mind, and then we came for liposuction at La Midas Center, Gurgaon. Here, now I had got my 360-degree liposuction, and I am 1 month post-op now. And there is a very good result. I feel very positive about the middle part of my body. And very soon I would request Dr. Ritesh Anand that once I have properly healed, that I can go for the other body parts as well. So it has given me a lot of confidence. The center has a very good OT setup. So right from anesthesia to the surgeon to the post-operative team, like I've been given lymphatic massages here, I've been given radio frequency and axillaris treatment there for skin tightening. So all those doubts which I had in mind, or I had heard from others, that there will be skin loosening after liposuction and the fat will reappear after liposuction, all this is not very much present in my case. And I did experience little pain after the surgery. For 2-3 days there was little pain, and then for 1 week I would say there was little stiffness and little difficulty in movement. But post 1 week though, I did not realize much difficulty. I could resume work on my 8th day. So, and I used to drive down to my workplace, even to this place, since I come from Delhi to Gurgaon, I used to drive on my own. So I did not require help from anybody, and from work also I required only for 1 week. So overall, I would suggest that anybody who has some inhibitions or some taboos around some cosmetic surgery, like we Indians sometimes have, So you should not fear it, because it not only helps you to lose your fat, it also makes you motivated to look better. Obviously, when you start looking better, you want to work out over it. And maintaining a averagely active lifestyle, you can very well carry on with the results. And I'm sure that most of us, anybody of my age or around, the problems I faced, somebody has the same problems. You should just not fear about going to a plastic surgeon and get a consultation. And if you feel good enough, then you should definitely go for this kind of procedure, because what is difficult for you is to lose a large amount of fat. But once you have lost it, it is easy to maintain. So maintenance part we can do, but the climbing up the mountain part, the doctor or the surgeon provides it to you. So any center which has all the facilities, like a good anesthesiologist, a good OT, a good surgeon, and a good post-op team, so I would recommend, I think Lamidas is a good place, and Dr. Ritesh Anand is excellent. There is no doubt about it, that he's one of the best plastic surgeons I have heard about. And now that I've experienced, for me, anytime I would recommend, I would like to get another procedure for my thighs also by him only. And if anybody can look up to me for a suggestion, he is the best plastic surgeon around. Thank you.